In this video, I will show you how to stop Chrome from blocking downloads. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you are trying to download something on Chrome and it's been blocked for whatever reason, then there is a way to actually get around this. So what you want to do is in the top right hand corner, you want to come up and click onto the three dots. And then on this menu that comes up, just come down and click onto settings. So once you're in your settings, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security. Then what you want to do is come down to the privacy and security section, come down to security and give that a click. And at this point, what you want to do is click the option which says no protection. Now, by doing this, this turns off safe browsing. So what's going to happen is a pop-up window is going to come up like this. And what you want to do is click turn off. But just bear in mind that this does not protect you against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. So although it does allow you to download if a download is being blocked, just take caution when you do turn off protection and make sure that the download is coming from a safe website and that the download is safe before attempting to download it. So that is how to stop Chrome from blocking downloads. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.